Are you looking for the best cordless power tool set? In this video, we will break down the top 6 cordless power tool sets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Porter Cable PCCK6118 Tool Combo Kit. This power tool set includes a high-performance Bluetooth radio with 2 high-quality speakers, and it has compatibility with any Bluetooth-enabled smart device for custom listening while you work. This power tool set with Bluetooth radio also includes a 5-inch random orbit sander, a 1/2-inch drill, a 1/4-inch impact driver, a 5.5-inch circular saw, a reciprocating saw, an oscillating tool, a jigsaw, a flashlight, and a battery. Also, the 1/2-inch drill has a compact design and 2 speed settings, while the 1/4-inch impact driver can provide up to 1,450 inch-pounds of maximum torque. The set has a 5.5-inch circular saw with an 18-tooth carbide blade, an oscillating tool that is capable of operating at 18,000 oscillations per minute. Moreover, the 5-inch random orbit sander nears speeds of 12,000 orbits per minute, while the jigsaw operates between 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, SPM. The reciprocating saw has a 7/8-inch stroke length, and the battery can work with all Porter Cable 20 volts max lithium-ion power tools. At number 2. SKIL CB739701 Tool Combo Kit. This 4-piece power tool set includes a charger, 2 batteries, a cordless drill, driver, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, and a work light. The cordless driver comes with a high and low speed control setting for optimal control. You can switch quickly between bits with the keyless, 1/2-inch chuck. Also, when you use the reciprocating saw, you can use the rotating blade clamp and the tool-less blade exchange system to quickly switch the blade out for a new one whenever yours dulls, breaks, or just isn't the right blade for the current task. This 4-piece power tool set comes with a circular saw with a blade that can rotate at 4,500 RPM. It also features an ergonomic design and an easy grip handle for better control. Furthermore, this set has a PWR Core 20 lithium battery with an innovative temperature management system to keep the battery cool and powering on through your project. At number 3. DEWALT Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This combo kit is designed for new homeowners who are focused on tackling a variety of DIY projects. The starter kit comes in a heavy-duty contractor bag and comes with 10 items, including power drills, a circular saw, and a battery-powered Bluetooth speaker. Not only does this kit come with numerous items, but its top-of-the-line tools are some of the most advanced of all sets. The set's reciprocating saw includes a keyless blade exchange. The circular saw is capable of cutting 2 into 4s at a 45-degree bevel, and the compact drill delivers an impressive 300 watts of power. The drill is a hammer drill, so you get both functions out of one tool. They solve the need for a driver by providing both a hex female drive impact for use with standard bits and a 3/8-inch drive impact driver. Everyone likes that it has extra flexibility. It comes with 1 charger and 2 batteries, which are 2.0 Ah charge. Finally, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, 90-day money-back guarantee. At number 4. RYOBI P883 Cordless Contractor's Kit. This 18 volts lithium-ion cordless contractor's kit is a complete toolset for a wide range of applications. It includes 8 pieces of kits, and they are a power drill, circular saw, work light, reciprocating saw, 2 lithium-ion batteries, and 1 P118 charger, and tool bag. The wide-mouthed contractor's bag is great for the store without making a mess. Although it does not contain a lot of utilities, it also incorporates several important packages of tools to get an easy DIY task. Also, this cordless circular saw has a lot of features that will help you cut the truth. It has side handles and rubber overmolds to improve slipperiness, even in slippery conditions. The single hand drill has 24 convenient clutches for different types of drilling specifications. The chainsaw ring, which is also wire-like in another style of the device, has a 5.5-inch blade that can tear through any material, bedsheet, even if the handle offers a solid grip. Lastly, the kit is similarly equipped with 2 lithium-ion batteries that can be also said to be lightweight. At number 5. Bosch CLPK 22-120 Cordless Toolset. If you are looking for a professional and upgraded toolkit, then this Power Tools Combo Kit is the best option. This toolkit's 2 main tools include a drill driver and an impact driver with a quick change bit holder. The impact drivers with high-performance motor mechanisms and lightweight quality and compact design are perfect for the plumber, mechanical technician, electrician, and overall professional users. Also, the impact driver is a short but powerful motor that makes it ideal for professionals with high-accuracy drilling, screw removal, and driving. Built-in advanced LEDs will provide you with clear visibility in tight places. This power tool kit is upgraded with tough impact driver bits with 10x more long-lasting quality. The magnetic bit holders provide more ease while drilling, screw removing, or driving. The lightweight design of the PS31-2A drill driver is ideal for easy handling in overhead operations and tight spaces, and with the PS41-2A impact, the driver offers the precision of variable speed, a light body, and a short head length. Above all else, it is backed by a 1-year warranty for your satisfaction. At number 6. MAKITA CT226 Cordless Combo Kit. This high-grade product features 2 cordless tools in an ultra-compact size. It features their FD05 drill driver and DT03 impact driver. This cordless combo kit comes as a convenient and lightweight bundle. 2 12V Max batteries and a standard charger are also included in the package. The tool bag that comes with the product is a welcome addition. In addition, the compact drill you get with this bundle has 2 variable speeds that you can switch between 0 to 450 RPM and 0-1700 RPM. It allows you to cover any drilling applications. The small 6-inch impact driver that you get in the bundle weighs only 2.2 pounds. Similar to the drill, this tool also features a variable speed of 0-2600 RPM and 0-3500 RPM. You get a high torque of 970 inches per pound. Overall, you can switch between the 2 modes of speed depending on the type of work you are doing. Both the tools included in the kit feature ergonomically designed handles with soft grips.